Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete Safari from your iPhone. Now if you try to delete your Safari browser like a normal app by clicking on remove app, you cannot. It only allows you to remove it from your home screen. It's not going to allow you to delete it. But there is a method through which you guys can actually delete it. And that is, first you need to go on setting. From inside your phone setting, you want to scroll a bit down and click on where it says screen time. From over here, scroll a bit down and click on where it says content and privacy restrictions. Once you're inside over here, at the top you will see content and privacy restrictions. You need to turn that on. Once you turn that on, the third option, allowed apps, click on it. From over here, find Safari browser and turn off Safari browser. Once you turn it off, you can just go back and just restart your phone. If you restart your phone, your Safari browser will be removed from the bottom, just like this, as you guys can see. So that is how you guys can delete Safari from your iPhone. And if you want it back as well, it's pretty simple. You just need to go back to the setting of your screen time. And once you're back to this place, just turn on Safari again and it'll be brought back just like this. So I hope you understand how you guys can delete Safari from your iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.